Okay, let's get started. So today I want to talk about how to download bank statements from Chase so that you can upload into QuickBooks Online. So once you log on to your Chase account, all of your bank accounts will be listed like this. You would just select one of them. It'll take you to this screen, or one that looks like it. Here's how you download the actual PDF version of the statements, but what we're going to do is download the activity. So here, if we go to this arrow pointing down, you see download account activity. Just click it, and here it'll allow us to choose what account we want to download the activity for, and here what file type. The file type that you want to do is QBO, Web Connect, not any of these. QBO is the one I recommend the most. And then once you've selected QBO, you would choose the date range. It's best to do date range because all transactions, I believe, it just does 180 days back. So it's better for you to choose a date range so that you select how far back you want to go. Once you've selected the date, range, and QBO, and the account that you're doing it for, just hit download, and the download would hit your downloads folder or wherever it's going to be on your desktop. And if you have more than one account, you could just select download other activity and select the next account and repeat the same process. Remember, QBO and the date range, and hit download. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.